It's a full-blown war of words between the opposition and the Modi government over the Balkot airstrikes. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has accused the Congress of speaking in Pakistan's language. He accused the Congress of demoralizing the forces and insulting the martyrs after Prime Minister Narendra Modi attacked the opposition, stating their remarks demanding proof of the airstrikes were making headlines in Pakistani media. The Congress has hit back. Senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh tweeted he had full faith in the armed forces but criticized the BJP leaders for issuing contradictory figures in terms of their casualties, while Union Minister Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore lashed out at the Congress for believing the foreign media reports over intelligence inputs from India.
अरे मोदी की बात मत मानो भाई, मैं नहीं कहता हूं मेरी बात मानो, कम से कम सेना पर तो अविश्वास मत करो। उनके पराक्रम पर तो दाग मत लगाओ। वो जान की बाजी लगा करके खेलता है, वो देश के लिए मर मिटने के लिए निकलता है और सफल होकर के आता है तो आपकी नींद हराम हो जा रही है।
Sometimes I don't understand what the Prime Minister wants to say. Not a day passes, and not a day has passed in the last 14 days, when he's not made a political election speech in some part of India. And he has used every speech to bash the Congress party and the leadership of the Congress party. And that's politicization. And when he says, we are questioning the Indian Army. Who has questioned the Indian Army? Congress President was the first to tweet, I salute the Indian Air Force. We're not questioning the Indian military forces.
I would appeal to the Congress party, for the sake of India, please don't reduce the moral, the courage and the prestige of our forces for your extraneous political interest. अपने छोटे राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के लिए देश की सेना के मनोबल को कमजोर नहीं करें।
Let's get you some more reactions on this story.
तो मैं कहता हूं कि ये इतना झूठ क्यों बोलते हैं ये कांग्रेस वाले। अपना एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन में झूठ बोलते हैं, अपना धर्म पर झूठ बोलते हैं, कौन आप उनका मजहब है उस पर झूठ बोलते हैं। हाँ, ये सारा झूठा जीवन है इन सबका। और फिर मोदी को कहते हैं झूठा है, वो भी झूठ है।
सेना के शौर्य को किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के पोस्टर पर मत लगाइए। सेना के बारे में कभी कोई प्रश्न नहीं हुआ। प्रश्न आपके मनसा वाचा कर्मणा पे है, आपकी कार्यशैली पे है। क्योंकि पुलवामा के शहीदों के सुरक्षा चौक पे चुप रहे, सुरक्षा चौक पे, लेकिन पुलवामा के शहीदों की तस्वीर लगा करके आप पॉलिटिकल रैली कर रहे हैं। मेरे मुल्क का चरित्र बड़ा बढ़िया था।
You have the BJP president announcing exactly how many people have died, and you have a cabinet member of the cabinet of the BJP saying that nobody has died because the big government's intention was not to kill anybody, was only to send the message that they are capable. So they are talking in contradictory voices. And it is very clear that all they want to do is to politicize this issue.
I am demanding that Mr. Amit Shah should tell the source who gave him that figure. How come he came to know that 250 people were killed? And this is where we accuse BJP, we accuse RSS for politicalizing the actions of our army defense forces.
Now listen in to what Indian Air Force Chief B.S. Dhanoa has said on the number of terrorists killed in Balakot airstrikes.
That statement will be made by the government. No, I mean, Air Force is not in a position to clarify that how many people were inside that. We don't count human casualties. We count what targets have we hit or not hit.
Time up in there, please.
The bomb damage assessment that is done post a mission calculates the number of the target you've been hit or you've not been able to hit. We can't count how many people have died. That depends on how many people were there.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.